We are at Kit Carson Park in Escondido, California. It's a pretty big park. One of the things we talk about is getting outdoors. Here we are, folks. Taking an afternoon trip.
Kit Carson Park. This park has been here a long time. It has literally expanded since I'm used to bring my kids. And the youngest one is, how old is she? 33. Yeah, they've added so much to it. The trails are nice. I do know they had, was it coyotes and a lion at one point? Coyotes, lions, um, tigers and bears. Oh my. Uh yeah, a pretty nice park, family park.
Just had a good bit of rain here the past few days. Birds of San Diego County. How many birds can you find today? Let's go take a look. Last time I came in here, they see the little kid talking about turtles. And there were turtles in the water.
Kit Carson Park. Look, Trey, look, Chloe. This is where we gonna come. Maybe. There's a lot of these. I don't think so. Out here swimming with your papa. That ice? Ice. Thank you, what? I'll follow you, wherever you go. Oh. You see that squirrel? I think I got some good ones you didn't get.
I'm sure.
I was walking on that little road and two of them met me.
Two
I
ducks?
stopped.
Really?
I said one of us gonna have to move.
Ah.
And they went down into the water, and a white one came up behind me. Oh, they sitting over there on their little pond.
Mm-hmm.
of us gonna have to move. It's so pretty out here. Maybe this wasn't the Napoleon tray. This is different.
I'm recording. I have you on my recording.
Oh, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
I never noticed those houses over there.
See,
It's a
folks,
nice little pathway.
when you get outdoors, you notice things, and things notice you.
That little pathway. That's a reason to walk.
Mm-hmm.
That pathway out your back door. Walk down that hill, and you walk the whole park, and you do it in reverse. That's actually pretty cool. That's nice.
Beautiful afternoon.
Oh my God.
Some of you folks that get stuck on the 15 freeway, you can always get off on
Going north.
Via del Campo. No, it's Via del Campo.
Via Parkway.
Via Parkway.
The mall.
Right.
Westfield Mall, North County Westfield Mall.
Past that, and it's
Make
the
a
next.
right, all the way down to your left lane, and you will, when you see the sign, you see the big old park next to the mall, you can't miss it.
Correct.
You make a left. All these ducks. Did you see them flying?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Pretty cool.
All I have to do is have a blanket. I'm out.
You'd be out, yeah. Get one of those, what do they call
I
them?
could do me a pop-up tent.
That's true, too.
You know, I bet you they come through here to find pop-up tents. Who wouldn't want to do this? Beautiful. Only in Cali.
Right.
Beautiful. Even the trees.
Mm-hmm.
If these trees can talk, what would they say?
Right. Leave us alone.
You've been here. It's been a while. The things we've seen, the conversations we've heard,
Right, right.
the different flavors of people. Wow, what a wonderful world it is. Takes our time to make a world.
You get out here and it's like the
Lose
city and all that traffic we just came by doesn't exist at all.
Yeah, you can lose time out here.
Easy.
They got an area where you can sit and eat. Kids, there's people down there right in that little pond. You look right through those bushes. They're right in that little pond around those ducks. Little private pond.
Mm-hmm.
Two little boys and her husband. See through the trees over there?
Yeah, I did see him.
It's so funny. I didn't realize till I looked in the air 3 times. Those little duckies is the ones flying.
Right. Huh?
I was like, it sure is a lot of ducks flying. Wait a minute. They're flying. Hello. So where do they go at night?
Right, huh? They
Night?
go in the bushes.
Go in the bushes and go nighty night.
Mm-hmm.
They go nighty night. It's a little cool in this sun right here.
But it still feels nice though.
Yeah, it feels nice. Probably need some rain. You see, some of the limbs are so dry on the trees.
Mm-hmm.
Need some a steady flow of rain on
Right.
those trees because of the bark and the dryness of some of the leaves.
So we've been out here what a good 45 minutes or so.
Yeah, long enough for me want to fall asleep now. That side over there through that pathway
Mm-hmm.
is nice. That's a
Yeah.
nice open area
Yeah. Yeah. The Girl Scouts
over there.
down that way.
Oh, okay. They have several spots you can just go and
Mm-hmm.
sit and walk like
Mm-hmm.
these people. It's like a little hidden secret. Don't
Yep.
tell
Yep.
nobody. Don't tell nobody.
We'll drive out that way since we're gonna take the back road.
I think that road. I think that's going to be crowded too.
Think so?
Hmm. Well, I don't think there's any place you can go right now because of the traffic, the work traffic. Where these little duckies come from? Did they bring them here?
Or where do they fly in from?
Of the entrance of Kit Carson. That's part of the Kit Carson area. Behind all those bushes is the park. The park.
We're on Bear Valley Road right here.
Bear Valley Road.
It'll take us back to the 15. But folks, me and Mrs. C just decided, you know what? Let's go out and go to the park. And it's something that each and every one of you can do, no matter where you are. You go into a city and look it up and find a local park that you can go to and just relax. And it's a beautiful day. So I think it's the second day of spring.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a great year.
There's an amphitheater in there.
There's the fire station.
Hmm. Kit Carson Park. The fire station. Thank God for fire stations, firemen and women. Man, there's a other portion. We have a lot of graduations over here. All kinds of sports games. Look at that.
A lot of soccer is played there.
A lot of soccer games. Kind of windy.
That's
The park, the park, the park, the park, the park, the park. Coming up to the entrance of the mall, the park, and then we pass the mall. This is the whole mall. Woohoo! Westville Mall. And that is it, folks.
remember, get outdoors.
Why not?